Hello, hello. Just so you know, desktop audio does work. Like I can hear it. Oh, wait too loud. Just so you know. Had another computer open with the live stream open with the volume all the way up, and I wasn't quite expecting that. Um, no, but yeah, audio is supported. I'm just trying to get it through the stream, right? So, which Apple does not support people capturing desktop audio natively, I guess. But you know, it is what it is. I don't know. Keep. So like, if I were like open Siri, I can hear Siri and I can talk to Siri, but I don't think that the live stream can hear Siri.
Did I say you couldn't?
I don't know. And Siri is as usual. Oh, I just had my microphone off because, I was trying to get the stream set up. Oh, you can? Wait, hold on. Tell me if you can hear this. Hold on. Let's close that. This might be very loud, so. Okay, that's good then. I guess it just combines it in OBS. Let's close that. Know what I mean? I would have expected that on this old Mac. It'd be slow, but I mean, it's kind of slow now, but that's I'm streaming from the Mac in 720p. So, you know, you have that. I mean, I have put videos up of just using QuickTime, and it's a little bit faster. But I mean, yeah, like OBS is using significant energy right now. They added a new Siri icon, I guess. Um, the system animations they're somewhat laggy now. Um, but OBS is also says that it's recording at 15 FPS for some reason, even though I set it to record at 60. Um, so that might also have something to do with it. But like it takes a second to load up. But when I don't have a bunch of applications open, like when I first start the computer up and I don't have anything open, I mean it loads up like just like any other Mac. I mean it probably does help that this Mac is fully upgraded. I mean as far as I can go with it. It's holding its maximum 8 gigs of RAM and a 240 gig SSD. Yeah, I have iOS 10 or no, not 10, 11 on my iPhone 6s. And then I mean I've got an Apple TV. I had an iPad Mini 1, but it kind of got too old and I stopped using it. I've also got an iMac, I think mid 2010 with 4 gigs of RAM in it. But I mean I don't really use that a whole lot because I don't have it with me. But I also have right now I'm monitoring the stream on a PC that I have because I have two 23-inch monitors next to each other, right? And I have the MacBook in the middle. The MacBook's hooked up to one, and that's what you see. You're seeing the monitor's output on the stream, and I'm using the monitor display for OBS, like the laptop display for OBS. Then I've got my PC over here with the exact same screen size and everything. They're the same monitors. Um, with the stream health and like all the stream stuff and like the chat. But yeah. There's new I guess there's new like when you hit the keys and you're not doing anything. Button sounds. Hold on. I'm going to try something real quick here. No, I don't think I am.
Go subscribe to Slow Achievements.
You already have a card. My brother's telling people to subscribe. Yet there already is a card.
145 subs. That should tell you something.
Yeah. Okay.
Daily uploads ranging from Dead by Daylight to
Ah.
Clancy's Wildlands.
Really? I accidentally did that. Okay, hold on.
Showed your face and you freaked out.
What? I'm freaking out about it. I'm not the. I mean, I'm not to the point on YouTube where I want to show my face yet.
You just did. You gotta be whacked.
Okay, I can just blur it out once I upload the archived.
You edit stuff? Wow.
Yeah, I edit stuff. See, here's my iPhone, and I mean, I have noticed some bugs with it. Like if I turn it on its side, right, I can or like on this side, right, I can pull. Sometimes I can pull the lock screen down. So if I pull the lock screen down and then I rotate my phone, you get a landscape orientation lock screen with all your notifications. So I got like, you know, all my notifications there. Um,
You shared someone's Snapchat.
I don't care. They don't know who he is. Like for some reason, you can have a landscape lock screen now, which is cool. And they've got some of the new features. Like, I mean, I think one of the coolest ones here is if I go to Control Center. There's a new. You can you can. My last name's on the top of the login page. It's been on the video the whole time. My brother's talking to me in the background.
145 subscribers. You won't show your face, yet you're okay with everyone knowing your full name.
Uh,
Tyler.
so I mean, I think the changes that they've added are okay, but I mean, they haven't really added a lot in the last couple of years. I kind of think they're kind of running out of ideas for iOS. Like usually they save stuff, you know, so like they would like save it for the next year, or like they'd save it for years down the line. But I mean, now they're just coming out with speakers and like all this other stuff. It's not exactly what I was expecting them to come out with. I think I'm trying to check the stream, see if it's laggy. But I mean, it's kind of delayed. Doesn't seem that laggy. There are all new notifications and such, or not notifications, animations. So like when you open an app, it like comes towards you. So like it's kind of weird, hard to explain. Like, but like you also can search through messages now. which I kind of just showed my messages. Please don't take that phone number and do not text that. There's also a whole new app store with like new layout and everything. Hold on, I haven't looked at the chat in a while. Yeah, there isn't really a lot. I mean, there's the new control center, which is cool. But I mean, I can change the brightness here, but you can't see that because it only affects my screen. Change the volume here. This one right here next to the right of thing is the low bat power mode is screen recording, and you can turn your microphone on and off. So if you look at my channel, you see that video that I recorded of iOS 11 Beta 1. I recorded it using that, which is cool. It kind of makes it easier for recording stuff. All the cool, awesome features of iOS 11 really are on iPad. I mean, they changed the whole interface there, really. They added that new dock, the drag and drop stuff, the file manager, which actually is on iOS 11, but you can't really use it because, like, see, this is the on my phone storage. So you got iCloud Drive, which has your iCloud Drive stuff. Then you've got on my iPhone, but when you try to click new folder, it's grayed out, so you can't click it for some reason. But I mean, I guess what are you gonna do about it? So I mean, I guess it's a nifty feature. I mean, I wouldn't call myself the best of channels. I mean, I don't do a lot of editing. I mean, I'm just uploading.
You don't do any editing.
Yeah, I don't really do any editing. I just upload it. I mean, as I come across it. But I mean, just go unplug that and close that. I mean, I don't do a lot of editing. And really, my channel's been inactive for the last 2 years since yesterday. But now I'm like, I mean, if I pull up my, I don't want to pull up my stream key on stream. So hold on, I don't want to accidentally do that. That wouldn't be good at all. Because that would kind of be. Okay, hold on. Let me see what that is. Let's not play any copyrighted music. Okay, I'm live. That's what it was. I mean, yeah. He also has a pretty good camera, I guess. I'm not really using the best of stuff. But I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter as long as you're getting the information across. I've kind of uploaded a video on how it macOS Sierra does on a Core 2 Duo Mac, and I've got 634 views already. So, I mean, that's kind of awesome. I've also been uploading more stuff recently. Like my last, that one's a hidden video, so don't even go looking for that. But before June 5th, my last public video was January 2016. So, I haven't really been uploading a lot. Programming? Oh, that, I mean, I was gonna do that, but I tried it and it's just not my forte. I just don't get it. I mean, I just didn't get it. I'm actually, not even thinking about doing a career in technology. I'm thinking more of law, but because I mean that's what I like. I kind of like that better. But right? I would do political stuff.
Born arguer.
I would.
Born to be a lawyer.
I mean, I would do political stuff, but you don't really get. There's no monetization on that anymore because it's not ad friendly. So yeah, I mean, and there's already hundreds of YouTubers that are doing that anyway.
Not every. Achievement Hunter will occasionally reference one. So.
Oh yeah, my brother's obsessed with Achievement Hunter. I don't know why. It's like an obsession. All his shirts are Achievement Hunter. His wall, like all his wallpapers, he's got Achievement Hunter stuff tacked up all over the wall. Posters.
They're not tacked
His
up.
YouTube channel is basically like a rip off of Achievement Hunter.
It's not a ripoff.
It's called Slow Achievements, and the logo is a green, like cane with surrounded by like an Xbox 360 thing with the four green light things, which is
First to do it, they start.
if you actually look, you can click on the info thing and you can see his channel right there with the cards. It's in the card if you want to look at it. But I mean, yeah, I kind of think that YouTube's starting to come to the end of its what do you call it? Like the best of its life cycle, like its fruition. It's already past its prime. It's probably going to go downhill from here. I mean, yeah, they're start. People are already starting new platforms because YouTube's starting to get too hard on other people's videos. But I mean, they're technically when you upload a video, you're agreeing to anything they want to do because you're basically making the video their property. So if they don't want to pay you anything, they don't have to. But anything you guys want me to like test out on this version of macOS? I'll just wait. I mean, I've done Final Cut Pro editing. That's how I created my intro that I showed. If you want to see it, people who are here that haven't been here before, I can just kind of. Oh shoot! Okay, let's just drag that to desktop, and I'm just going to go here. I'm actually going to do it in an actually good way, where I can try to. Scene 2? No, I want scene 1. Okay, let's switch to scene 2. Media source. Okay, local file. I think this is how you do this. Actually, you can't see it right now. Okay, this is my intro right now. They can't even hear me due to the extreme length of the video. But yeah. Oh, my doc's over there. Okay, yes. This wallpaper's kind of nice though. It different than their usual pink and red and stuff that they've had in past versions. Kind of get some greens and blues and whites in there that they haven't had in yellows. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty much. I mean, I kind of noticed that if you look, let's go to macOS versions. So if we go here, right? Actually, maybe I want to do Wikipedia. I'm just gonna do Wikipedia, even though it's not a credible source. What I've kind of noticed is, you had, if you look here, 10.5 Leopard was a major release. Snow Leopard was like a what maintenance release, right? 10.7 Lion was a major release. Mountain Lion was a maintenance release. Mavericks was a major release, or well, kind of like another. Actually, I kind of say it's another.
Hey, Wesley? Yeah? Your dad's going to be here soon.
Sorry about the noise in the background. Um, then you got like Mountain Lion and Maverick, which are kind of both maintenance releases. Then you kind of get back into that pattern again. Yosemite. Then you had El Capitan, which is another maintenance release. Then you had Sierra. Now you have High Sierra. So it seems like they alternate, right? And this year seems to be a big year for iPad and iOS and stuff like that. So, like last year wasn't a real big year for iPad or iOS, and it was a real big year for Mac, kind of. They added all those new Touch ID features and unlock your Mac with your watch, which is not supported on here, by the way. Um,
Hey, I'm streaming now too.
oh, you are. He records gaming content, and uh, YouTube isn't really the best place for gaming content. Although I do have some on my on my channel, because YouTube kind of blocks gaming content now. They don't want people. They didn't want it on the front page no more. They wanted YouTube for normal people. They didn't want gaming content everywhere. But I mean, I guess they could do whatever they want. Okay, I'm back. I just had to play the intro one more time because it's kind of an awesome intro.
Hey, Rick, you do me a favor.
Hold on, let's go check my brother's stream live on stream. But I mean, this computer, I use this computer for school and like web browsing stuff. And then I got my computer for gaming, which I'm using to actually check my own screen right now because it has the 1060, like an AMD chip, which is okay, but I need to upgrade anyway because it's starting to get old. I mean, it works for now. I mean, if anybody has any questions, just put them in the chat. I should probably put like a text up on the screen that says that. Okay, let's do that. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm just removing some stuff from the sources that I was trying to get working earlier. So, text, create new.
Sneeze.
I mean, So I'm just gonna disable that. Okay, I need to do that. I need to questions. If you have any questions, put them in chat. Now I've got to display capture back on. And then figure out how to make this bigger. Hold on. Actually, I don't have that image on my computer right now, so I was going to put my so I guess that works. A little bit smaller. There we go. That's good. That's good right there. Kind of live editing of my thing here, but let's go. I kind of have a very extensive list of people I'm subscribed to. Let's find my brother. Probably not as expensive as some of the other things. Okay, now I'm checking his audio. Chase, you're streaming Wildlands? Okay, hold on. You're getting like 2 FPS on the stream. Hold on, let me turn it off of HD. That might be my computer. OBS tells you at the bottom how much FPS you're getting. Oh, it does on Mac, but you know. How many people are watching? Me. Also, there's no audio. Oh, I can hear the audio now. Oh, the FPS is fine now. Legit, 3 people are now watching your stream. Yeah.
Is this in sync? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You have to look at the screen.
How do I turn up the FPS?
It's like 10 minutes behind, Chase. Stream is now offline.
Oh yeah, okay, that's stop streaming. That was fine.
Okay, yeah, that's
Alright,
no problem. I've only got one person watching now.
Alright. Stream.
Go watch my stream.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, here. We'll stop with this. I mean, this just shows some of the use case. Yeah, they were in sync. We got some use cases here. With some of the stuff. Like, I mean, let's see how many tabs we can open. Tab. Okay. got probably that's way too many tabs, but okay. Just keep going. Okay, yeah, it's a little bit behind. That's way too many tabs. Let's just close the file. Okay. Let's close QuickTime Player so we have more RAM available to the system. If you guys have any questions, just put them down in the chat. Right now, while I'm working on this, I'm just going to play my intro real quick. And then an ad. Okay, for all of you, those who are still here and didn't get an ad, I'm just going to keep streaming. What was I? Oh, I was trying to load up a bunch of Safari tabs. Oh, no, 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 not my mail. Not my mail.
Y'all want to try that again? Huh? Y'all want to try that again?
Force quit. Sorry about my brother in the background. He doesn't understand really about being quiet. One, two, three, 4, 5. I'll do 10 tabs. Actually, I'll do 15.
Oh, stop it. Stop it. No!
So 15 tabs should be open right now. Now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go through with
Need somebody. Help.
I'm kind of scroll all the way over. Let's load up a bunch of different websites, news sites, I guess. Okay, Craigslist, Kickstarter, Bing, if anyone uses Bing, which they don't.
Hey, Wesley.
Start streaming. Okay, I'm back now. Streaming has almost stopped.
Because it looks exactly, it looks fine on previous screen.
Okay, no, don't allow. Okay, let's see. Open up. Let's open up new egg. New egg. So here I am.
Tell me if it gets any better. I'm very sorry.
So we're having some problems with the stream right now. I'm working on it. Oh, the stream's working now. No, 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 no. I do not know why it's not working quite correctly. Okay. So we got We got BBC weather. We got Los Angeles Times. We got New York Times. We got Wikipedia. One thing I can notice now, it seems like it hasn't saved this into the RAM. So, like, let's see, we can go to Google. It's gonna load up Google. That's loaded. Let's let all these websites load individually, and let's see if it'll keep them all loaded in the RAM. But I mean, performance is okay for light web browsing and watching YouTube. Not really any games, but you know, I don't really feel like loading up Craigslist. Okay. Bing loads up fine. Wikipedia loads up fine. Times loads up fine. News loads up fine. Okay. CNET News. Los Angeles Times. Let's see if we can go back to one of our earlier tabs. Okay. It's keeping all these websites in the RAM. We can see, like I can go to CNN. I can see all the stuff they have up. Let's see if BBC Weather. BBC Weather's loaded. Newegg, mostly loaded. ESPN. I don't think I loaded ESPN before, but it's loaded now. Los Angeles Times is now loaded. I think it's unloading one of them. So yeah, you got like all the stuff here. I'm just gonna close all these tabs. Well, if you have any questions, please put them into the chat. No, this stream is monetized with ads, by the way. Just so you know. The more you know. How would I do that? Why wouldn't I enable ad revenue? I mean, if I'm gonna be doing this, why not just? I'm kind of doing it for fun right now, but why not just? Why not just do it? Well, I'm doing it to spite him because it took him 3 years to get 125 subscribers, and I'm trying to do it in like couple months, you know.
I've always said he's always made fun of me for having a slow growth. I've always said you think you could do better.
And now I'm doing better.
Not really, because he posted 2 videos that got views.
Yeah,
He's got a more active community than I do.
yeah, because gaming content. I mean, I don't really want to watch no small gaming content channels because they don't really have much good gaming content, you know. But like tech channels, I mean, I watch small stuff all the time because sometimes the big channels don't cover a lot of the stuff I want to see. You know.
If you're ever in need of a cameraman for tech stuff.
Oh, fan funding. That's what it is.
Oh my god, are people trying to fan fund you now?
No, no, they told me to turn on donations. Oh my gosh.
Trying to troll you?
No, I don't really care if they do or not. I mean,
Neither did I until someone did.
for some reason the video output's low.
Like, I didn't even have donations set up, and someone put in some command that made it seem like they donated like 100 grand. I still to this day don't know how they did it.
Okay.
I freaked out knowing that it wasn't real. Like, I was like, this probably isn't real, but that's kind of cool.
I mean, I'm a verified YouTube channel. Um, I have 0 strikes, 0 copyright strikes.
I have 0 as well. I honestly don't know what it takes to get a strike, though. Because I've gotten. You can get flagged for copyright. You can have your videos taken down. And YouTube will be like, that's fine. Like, they even say, like, this is fine. It's okay. You'll be fine. Nothing will happen.
Okay. Hold on. For some reason, can't figure out how to. Okay, my AdSense account is doing okay. Um, Yet how?
Still can't believe you went
Okay, so the live stream is going to be going on standby for a while. Okay, I've got to do some stuff around the house. Well, I'm just gonna, just leave the stream running on ads. No, I'm just gonna go to the live dashboard and stream. Well, I'm gonna be pausing shortly, but can't quite figure out. So I go to channel, I go to status and features, and fan funding is not there. So maybe I'm not, you know. But I mean, I'm just gonna leave the stream going. Yeah, I'm just sitting here doing random things. If nobody's really watching, but you know. I did. Other. Submit. HTTP. Okay, I've signed up for fan funding. Okay, yeah. Nobody's stream help. Good. Okay, that's good. That's good. Cranium. Filling out a Capatcha. Signing up for Patreon. Legit, I'm signing up for Patreon right now. If you guys want to subscribe, you know that's it's up to you, but you know, it'd be nice. Just saying. Inspecting. I'm trying to grab my banner image, but never mind. YouTube URL. Copy. I'm creating a Patreon right now. Just because, you know. Kind of feel like it, I guess. Let's see if Patreon 2014. Okay. Connect to Discord. In that right now. I don't really want to do that.
By the way, there is some way to there is some way to set it up to where every once in a while a link to your Patreon will pop down and say like, hey, this is my Patreon free. I don't know how to do it.
And what's the maximum number of channels you can put on your channel page? Okay, I'll just put limited quantity 10. Okay, so somebody, if they donate, Okay, hold on. Let me see how many people are watching. One person is watching. Ooh, the chat is not loading. That's not good. How you guys doing? We let's just let's just figure out. Can I just copy the link work? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Cool. How you guys doing? I'm disconnected from the chat for some reason. Okay, enable live chat. Disable live chat. Enable live chat. Enable live chat. Okay, I'll have to check the chat somewhere else for some reason because I'm disconnected to it right now. But I am going to be adding a card. Okay, we're going to be editing that card. We're going to be removing that card. We'll be adding another card, linking it, paste. Okay, how you guys doing? Nobody's watching. Oh, shoot. Should be able to see my live stream in my phone. Maybe not in Creator Studio. Maybe just the YouTube app. Okay. Because I cannot see. Live chat. Let's see. So I'm disconnected from the chat for some reason right now. So I'm trying to figure that out right now. Just gonna reload my streaming page. Okay, please connect me back to the live chat. Please connect me back to the live chat. I didn't try again. Oh my gosh, I've got chat disabled for some reason. Shoot. Stream options. Hold on. I accidentally disabled chat. So that's my problem. Sorry about that. I mean, my mistake. Let's try it now. I'm just gonna copy that so I can control V it. Testing. Oh, here comes the whole chat come loading in right now. Okay, from earlier. But I mean, you can see here that I'm running a MacBook 13-inch late 2009 with two displays running right now. I've got this display right here is the one that you're seeing, and this is the one I have OBS running on. Currently I've got 240 gig SSD and a 250 gig external hard drive hooked up. So, hold on. Any questions? Put them in chat. Yeah, if you have any questions, about anything you want me to do in particular, like anything testing wise of the new Mac operating system, just let me know. I'm watching the chat. So yeah, if you guys also see, I've got my Patreon up on as one of the cards. If you want to check that out, or I mean that'd be nice. But I'm not really in it for any money. I'm just doing this because it's fun. I've got 2 people watching right now. Ooh, okay, yeah, I don't want that anymore. Force eject. Okay. Thanks, Apple. But yeah, I've got 3 people watching now. Ooh. Messages 0.5 messages a minute. Okay, let's just. If you have any questions, put them in chat. Just in case they're only looking at chat. And my stream key is hidden on my other computer, so nobody can see it, right? Okay. I'm not even streaming from that computer, so why am I worried about that? I've been streaming for an hour and a half, and I'm actually doing pretty good for my first stream, I guess. I mean, guess I can pull up some. Look applications, I guess. So I guess I'll pull up. Not that. I'll pull up Final Cut Pro, and I'll render a video real quick. You know, so you guys can see. The new H.265 is not on here yet, but I surmise that that's because I'm not running the beta of Final Cut Pro. You know, I'm running the macOS Sierra version of Final Cut Pro. Yeah, it's pretty good. I was trying to edit an Atlas video earlier, but 1080p on this graphics card is not ideal. So I'm just gonna, let's see if I have any open projects that I still have. So let's go here. Today. Untitled. Okay, I don't know what it's doing now. File. New project. Okay, we'll do that. File. New event. Now I'm gonna take, I'm just gonna take a few random video files. Actually, I'll just take some Outlast gameplay and I'll cut it down to like 5 minutes. Because it's at 1080p and it's straight from an Xbox One, I guess. Let's just cut it down to first couple minutes. So I'll just go. Let's go up to the point that they crash. That's good right there. I'm just gonna take this, switch to blade, cut it right there, and then we'll switch back to select tool. I don't think it cut it. Cut. Select. Now we've got.
Say murdered? We don't know that.
Oh, I'll say she strangled herself to death.
That's what the police report says.
We may play this before.
If you notice, we have some stuttering, and it just said that video frames are dropped during playback, but we got 4 minutes and 15 seconds of stuff, and it's currently rendering or importing the media. Okay, you have some questions. Put them in the chat, I guess. Obviously, I'm just waiting for this to render so that I can export it. See how long that takes and all that. I'm gonna grab I got a laptop stand so that I can get my laptop up off the desk because I'm streaming and editing and it's getting pretty toasty. It's just I just saw your question, by the way. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, you can see here that it just started moving pretty quickly. I mean, on the importing the media here. I mean, I only have it as my main OS right now. I've also noticed that with iOS 11, I'm not having any of the battery or many of the unstability issues that you usually have with a beta. So like I can open up multiple tabs. I can have, multiple tabs open, Can load up all these. And I've got Final Cut Pro editing in the back, or rendering in the background, as well as OBS streaming right now. So, I mean, it's actually pretty usable. Like, I mean, it may seem a little slow right now, like some of the animations and whatnot, but it's actually You can see that's not bad for rendering a Final Cut Pro 1080p video and streaming at the same time. But I mean, your mileage may vary depending on what Mac you have and what hardware you got, you know. A lot of the features that they've added are disabled on here. You know, like handoff and all that has been disabled for a while. I did have one issue where it crashed, but I was trying to load Blackwake. I was just trying to make a video of like random gaming performance on it, and Blackwake has a problem of running on a GT 730. So I had to restart the computer because it froze because I was trying to load that much of a game. I mean, on a GT 730 on lowest settings at 1080p, it barely will run. And it wouldn't load. I was getting the beach ball of death. But I mean, that's the only issue I've had so far. But I mean, yeah. I got all this stuff open. I mean, this thing's still going in the background. Still importing. Well, I mean, importing's not that hard, but once I get to exporting it, probably is going to pick up quite a bit. Here, so I can go like here. I can scroll. I mean, not really much lag at all, really. If you want, I'll show you guys some stuff from iOS 11 here real quick. Intelligent tracking. I don't know how to turn that on, really. Do I go to like, if you know how to turn it on, right? I mean, it's probably in security and privacy, I guess. I haven't really noticed it, right? I mean, okay. Okay, no, I don't really see any sort of. Actually, maybe it's in preferences here. That new iPad looks pretty cool. It doesn't seem like it might not have it. I don't think this older Mac, right? Content blockers. I think it might just be enabled by default. Like, there's no thing to enable it or disable it. You know, that's the way it is, I guess. But that new 10.5-inch iPad is pretty wicked cool. Hold on, I'm gonna pull up QuickTime here real quick. Now let's try this out for size. It's done rendering. There we go. That's much better. So we get some stuttering, but that's 1080p video right there that it's scrubbing through. Yeah, I know. Master file. Let's see how much space this takes up. Okay, next. Save. Okay. So I think I started it. Yeah, there it goes. We also have all those effects that you usually get. No graphical errors, really. What was I gonna do? I was gonna, what was I gonna do? I was gonna do something else. After the Final Cut, I was gonna... Shoot, I forgot what it was. I guess I'll just watch the Final Cut Pro edit in there. While we're waiting, might as well play my intro. Okay, and we're back. Still rendering like usual, you know. It's at 1%. Oh, where'd that window go? Okay, 1%. I'm going to also play an ad. Just because... I'll end the stream at 2 hours, by the way. Because that's pretty much long enough. 2 hours. I'm at 142. Because I don't really want to stream too long. But, I mean, you know, pretty much that's what it is. Actually, I'm going to check my analytics real quick. Analytics are up. Let's see my videos. My video on macOS 10.13 on High Sierra has 689 views, and then my other video on macOS Sierra has 364 views. That's pretty good. I got 25 views on iOS 11 Beta 1. I've got 13 views on my Blackwake video. And I've got 8 views on my new intro that I just showed.
Okay.
I mean, if anybody out there has any questions, I'm just gonna put it in the chat right there. Right now, we're rendering a video in Final Cut Pro. So we're trying to see how long it takes. I'm just got a 5-minute clip of Outlast 2, just the starting stuff. Not really any spoilers or anything. And it's been at 2% for a little while, but we'll see how well it's doing. But let's just see. I might as well change. Hold on, I'm getting a phone call right now. Let me see. Oh, I just saw your question. I had to take a phone call about a job application. Your 2013 MacBook Pro will have no problem with the stuff you have in it. This right here. This is a late 2009 polycarbonate white MacBook with an Intel Core 2 Duo and 8 gigs of RAM and a 240 gig SSD. So you're like
Check out my stream. It's
you're like way over the stuff that I'm doing right now, and I'm editing a video in Final Cut Pro, or I'm exporting in Final Cut Pro. I'm live streaming, and I also just had a few minutes ago. I had a like 4 or 5 tabs open on Safari with no problem. So you're not really going to have much problems.
All of a sudden it's slowing me down.
Yeah, you're welcome. I mean, there aren't really any problems with the I haven't had really any bug problems. It only crashed once, but that was me trying to run a Black Wake, which is a very hardware intensive game on my computer. But I mean, you could probably run that on your MacBook. But if you had it, but it caused my thing to crash because I'm running with the Intel 9400M graphics, which is not, or not Intel, NVIDIA, which is not the best. But if you guys, know about, so I probably I bet that any Mac that is newer than this one with higher specs will perform similarly or better. Just common sense. But you guys should also go check out my videos on OS X 10 point or 10.13 High Sierra running on a on this MacBook. If you have any questions, just put them down in the chat. Okay, if you guys want to check out the cards, there is a poll that you can check. It's asking whether or not you like macOS High Sierra. I'm just trying to see where everybody's at on this new version of Mac. So just, click the little info button on the top right, little I, and then there's a poll on the bottom. Oh, the new drag and drop feature on iPad. I think that's on iPad. So, let me just pull up some of Apple's promotional stuff, because it looks real nice. Um, so basically, if I can get this to load. Oh my gosh, the only problems I've had with Safari thus far. I'm just gonna stop this right here. So I can, I'm gonna close Final Cut Pro. Let's not close OBS. So images. So basically, on iOS 11, they have, basically you can, like, on your email and such, you can select, although this is a concept, but, like, you can have an app on the left side, like, on this side right here. You can have an app on the left side, like you can have Wikipedia like over here. You can have like your mail over here, right? Like you would in split view. Now you can take like pictures and lines of text and stuff, and you can drag them over, or like hyperlinks and stuff, and add them to your email. Not that you want to email somebody stuff from Wikipedia, but it's whatever you want to do. If you guys want to do, go into the cards and fill out a poll on whether or not you like macOS High Sierra, just so I can know, hey, where you guys are at on this new update.
Just leave that dude. He's just hanging out.
And while you guys are doing that, I'll just play an ad. Play. I gotta play ads whenever I can. Let's just go play, 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 play ad, 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 play ad. I just played like 30 ads. Just poll results. We got one response, 100% for yes. So if you guys don't like it, go down there and vote no if you don't like it, or vote yes. I mean, whatever you want to do. I'll change the title of the live stream as well. Then we're just gonna, So yep, all changes are saved. If you guys have any questions, just put them down in the description or not the description, the live chat. I'm actually streaming straight from my Mac here. So I've got, I'm just drag OBS. I've got OBS right here. I've just dragged it off to my laptop screen, which I have connected to, my monitor here. You guys can please go to the cards, and there is a "Do you like macOS High Sierra" poll. It's the second. It should be the second card. Vote yes or no, so I can see kind of where you guys are at. I've had a maximum of 4 viewers. That's nice. That is nice. But full analytics. Stream health is excellent. Any questions? Just put them down below in the description, or not description, in the chat. Ooh, 4 people watching now. If you have any questions, put them down in the chat. Just put them on down in the chat. Well, I'm going to take a break for a quick second. I'm going to keep talking, but just going to play an ad. If you guys want me to do anything in particular that you want to see tested out, just put it down in the live chat. You have any questions, put it down in the live chat. You want to say anything, put it. Don't listen to that, but put it in the live chat. But yeah, I've got 4 people watching right now. working with files. My computer has an SSD, so let's see. I'm just going to take a fairly large file here. I'll just take this. I'll copy that, and I'll go to, where should I go? The movies folder. I'll make a new folder. Test. And we'll paste that. Voila! It's done copying. You see that there? There was no waiting to copy. Now, if I do copy it to an external drive, there will be a waiting to copy. But if I open this, I can just take it, drag and drop it, authenticate, and it's just showing that up because done copying. Wow, that's amazing. I'm running an SSD on here, so you really get that fast file movement. Okay, I'm just gonna put that in the trash. Let's try copying multiple files now. Just grab those. Just copy them all. Oh, it's just asking about that one. Done. Wow. Oh, the file is 3.79 gigabytes. So I'll just put that in chat as well. In case you want to get it faster than the delay. I could actually copy some. We also have this one here, which I believe is 700 megabytes. I've got this one here, which is 8.3 megabytes. That's not that big, but let me find something bigger to copy. I think I might have some bigger stuff on here. Okay. No, I don't think so. Or hold on, let me check this game audio. No, I don't have much big files on here. Yeah, it is a big improvement. Especially on this old MacBook, right? You can see this here. If you guys have any questions, just put them on down there. Any more questions or anything you can think, or anything you want me to like test out. Like you want me to test any features you want me to test out, any speed related stuff, or like website loading, or anything really. Playing a YouTube video, or actually, I'll play one right quick. That's what I'll do. Let's see if we get any stuttering, or I'll play one of my own videos so I don't have any problems with stuff like that. Okay. My channel. So we're gonna play a video real quick. Let's play my Blackwake video. Okay. Getting stuttering. That's at 720p, 60 FPS. But I am streaming in the background. So, if you have any questions, put them in the chat. I just type that in the chat. Let's try loading a non-60 FPS video of mine. Okay, that works. Okay, so it's the 60 FPS that's the problem right now. But it's in beta still, and I'm streaming right now. This is one of my first videos, so from like years ago. So don't worry about that. Let's check out this video right here. which has 700 views. I've added music, by the way, for any of you who didn't see the music. I was trying to get the user engagement up, keeping them in the video. So I thought maybe music. I might remove it if that's a bad idea, but you might test out Siri. Okay. Siri, translate "how are you" into Chinese. Okay, no. Mac Siri cannot translate into Chinese yet. But I'll pull up my phone real quick on QuickTime using the USB cable, and I'll ask it to do that. Okay, we'll just open that up. Apple file system. I haven't really noticed any difference between the old file system and the new one. I mean, I did have some weird things going on when I was updating. Like, I think they updated the UEFI because of the new file system and things like that. But or not UEFI, EFI. Apple uses EFI. So, but I mean, it seems a little bit quicker than usual. I'm actually gonna check my messages real quick. So I don't. No. Okay, so I'm just gonna hold on. Okay, that's good. Okay. So you guys can see my phone here. I'll just make it full screen. Siri, translate "how are you" into Chinese.
您好吗?
So I mean, it works pretty good. You got the new Oh shoot, it's not loading. I'm just gonna put that down a little bit. So you actually get.
您好吗? 您好吗?
So you can actually. That seems pretty good in pronunciation, and if I'm not. Hold on, we're just sitting here loading. I haven't had any problems with this before. Well, I've done this before during the live stream. This is the 2 hour mark right now. Yeah, certainly does. All I got is a black screen for some reason. I think QuickTime's acting up. Just restart it. See if we can get it to load now. I'll close Safari real quick. Okay, so we're just gonna open that up. See, we got some bugs like that. We got the new lock screen looking thing. There's a bit of a delay from my phone to the computer, and then the computer to the live stream. So I'll show you some things here. Scrolling to the left, you can see all the widgets work pretty okay. There are some bugs. Now, if you scroll down the lock screen, right? Hold on. Waiting for it to come up. If you rotate it on the right, you have a landscape lock screen, which is cool. You can actually see, you can see your messages, all your previous stuff. Photoshop news editing option? Wait, what? Okay. Um, but yeah, iOS has some problems. I mean, like that, or like I've also noticed that if you lay it down flat and you pull down like that, sometimes it can be messed up in a certain way. And but they did add screen recording, photos. You want me to edit photos in Photoshop? Oh, photos, new editing option. Okay, let me see. Hold on. Let me just, disable this so I make sure I don't have any personal images on there. Let's see. I'll pick. Hold on, I'm trying to find a good picture. That's all I've got are memes. I guess I'll just pick this one with a dog. It's an iFunny of a new dog. Okay. So I'm just gonna close QuickTime real quick. Click edit, edit. Okay. Adjust. The might be having some problems here. Okay. Filters. Info. Okay. That's okay. Okay. I'm just gonna. That's an automated message there. I'm pretty sure. Filters. It's not showing anything. How am I supposed to add filters? You can see all my albums there. Oh my god. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be working in this beta. Uh, I guess we'll see about the next one. Anything else you guys want me to do? I don't even know if this Mac supports the new Photos editing stuff. So, yeah. Well, I'm going to be taking I'm gonna be taking a quick break here, so I'll just play some promotional Apple stuff, I guess. Or no. I mean, or I'll just play some random stuff. Just trying to get a playlist of Apple commercials. Just want a good 10-minute video because I'll be back in a minute. Oh my gosh. I'm playing somebody else's video, which is
Hello, I'm a Mac, and I'm a PC.
okay. I'm back. Let me switch scenes. Hold on, let me get a 50 gigabyte file, which I do not have on my computer. I'll just grab my hard drive real quick. Oh no. Well, I don't think I haven't copied anything on it, so it should have been done copying stuff. Test the new Photos app, new editing. I did. It wouldn't load. Hold on. File off my computer that I just have sitting there. I'm just gonna go into my Steam games. Okay, let's see. I have a 13 gigabyte video file. I have I have 30 gigabyte file. That'll work, I guess. Copy. Paste. Hold on. Okay. Now we're back. I'm gonna test the new Photos app real quick. Edit. Okay. Filters. See, I'm having some problems with it loading. Right. It's not loading on this computer. So maybe that's one of the problems with the beta right now. And I'm currently copying 30 gigabytes files to test the speed. Let's see. It's not doing anything. Swipe, swipe, crop. Not see. I don't. Let's try markup. Not even markup's working. Oh, maybe the markup's working. Just slow. Okay. Oh. Just cut that. No. Yeah, I can do some stuff. I'm trying to cut everything out of here. I'm not real good with the whole
No!
editing photos option stuff.
It's still worse.
Almost got that 30 gigabytes ready to go. It's about 31% complete. I'm grabbing it from my Windows computer. I'm just grabbing like 2 huge video files that I have. I can actually grab some more real quick. Videos. Hold on. We got 2 Blackwake files. That's only a couple megabytes because that's real short. That's 1 point something gigabytes. Yeah, yeah, I'm working on it. It's about 50% done now. Anything you guys want me to do in the meantime? Because the Photos app wasn't really working. Actually, probably shouldn't be showing my serial number. Well, I mean, what are you gonna do with it? Also, this is probably a good time to set up that thing I wanted to set up earlier. Pictures. Copy. I'm also checking some files right now. But I mean, this wallpaper looks pretty nice. It's got that new look and everything. You got the new Siri icon. Hey Siri, how are you doing?
Happy as a clamshell, Mac.
Ah, nice Mac references. Tell me a joke.
If I told you a joke in my language, I'd have to explain it.
Uh-huh. Anyone just sit around and talk to Siri sometimes? Okay, videos are about 56% complete copying. Uh, who are you?
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
Where did you come from?
I, Siri, was designed by Apple in California.
Um, it doesn't look like it. Maybe as one of the point 0.1, point 0.2, or point 0.3 features, like they added night shift in 9.3, I think, and they added a few features in iOS 10. I forget what they are. Um, what do you think about Steve Jobs?
I'm sorry, Avery. I'm afraid I can't answer that.
Siri, are you serious?
I'm always serious.
71% complete on those files, and I'm using USB 3 on here. But I'll have to copying them from the drive over USB 2 is going to take a while onto the Mac. But once it's onto the Mac, the file copying should be lightning quick. Well, I was going to end live stream it. 2 hours, and now I'm at 2 hours and 20 minutes. I'll end it at 2:45, I guess.
Did you know that if you're stealthy enough, there's a certain mission where the dad and
I mean, I got
Santa Blanca are in the same area.
videos to make, stuff to upload.
If you kill,
I don't even think anybody's gonna watch through this entire video. Because this is approaching a 2 hour and 30 minute video.
start fighting.
I'm gonna have to create a highlight. I'll create some, I might think I'll might create some highlights from this and post it to my channel as separate videos. Since, you know. So I started at 3 o'clock. Series very serious. Oh yeah, the files are almost done. 70 megabytes per second on this USB 3. I'll forward on my PC. Only got 500 megabytes left. Okay. Done. Now I'm just going to plug it into my Mac. And we'll just wait. Just wait for it to connect. Okay. So I've got these two very large MP4 files, and together, one is 14 gigabytes and the other 16 gigabytes. So that's 30 gigabytes of stuff. Let's copy those to my desktop. This is gonna take a while, by the way, because it's over USB 3 or not, or USB 2. But Apple didn't really say that it'd be faster over USB. They really said it would be faster from folder to folder, which is as advertised.
So you can see the ones that I marked.
1 gigabyte has been copied already out of the 31 gigabytes. So we got 14 minutes left on that. Guess I can do some stuff. I guess I might as well play my intro again because I like that. I like my intro. I actually have it on the desktop right here. If you see it. My stream laggy. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna switch back to scene. Still copying. Oh, the new features. There's not much. There isn't really much in the way of features. Hold on, I'm checking my stream right now. Okay, yeah. There's a few privacy things. There's a few messages upgrades and like speed upgrades, and like efficiency stuff. But that's really all they added. They haven't really added much. They didn't add the Siri translation that they added in iOS. They didn't really add much. That's just what I'm gonna say. It's really not that much different from Sierra. That's why it's called High Sierra. Better Sierra, you know. Basically, that's what they're going for. I bet. But yeah, 7 people watching at 4:59. I didn't notice. Oh, that was probably when I was. But I mean, features are pretty slim. iOS on iPad has most of the good features, and then you have really this year's been a lackful features, lackless features, and there's not real much. We're still going on that 30 gigabyte copy from the hard drive, but it's not an SSD. It's a mechanical hard drive that's plugged in over USB 2, so that's going to take a while. But that's not the speed. They didn't advertise it over external devices. They advertised it over over your hard drive to other parts of your hard drive. So we'll just wait. Let that finish. I'm just gonna sit here and wait for 10 minutes. Absolute silence. Audio is back. I'm just gonna finish this one test about copying 30 gigs, and then I'll be done with this live stream. Because I kind of think it's starting to wind down, and I really need to end this video soon because it's been a while. This is like a long time to be streaming. And my computer probably needs a rest because it's been streaming for 2 hours straight. I can't even see my current temperature. Did it freeze? No, it's still gone. So, yeah. We're just opening up that. Okay. My CPU diode. Currently running at 88 degrees Celsius. That's pretty toasty for a CPU. I can't feel it through the keyboard, and I can definitely feel it on the bottom of the computer. But you get that matte bottom, so it's not that big of a deal. Just go preferences. For some reason, menu bar display, CPU diode, diagnostics, menu bar general, Fahrenheit temperature scale. For all those people that are in America like me, 190 degrees Fahrenheit. That's how hot the CPU is. Um, so that's 86 degrees Celsius. That's just on the CPU diode itself. So this thing needs a rest as soon as possible. This thing's obviously taking a while. So we'll be copying large files, multiple large files in this test because we'll have two around 15 gigabyte files that I'm copying. If you have any questions, put them down in the live chat. Oh. Just gonna check my YouTube analytics real quick, and I'll play my intro again. If you have any questions, put them down in the chat. Okay, I'm back now. Check my YouTube analytics on my two videos about macOS Sierra. I've got 1,133 views, which is the best I've ever gotten. It's pretty awesome. And I can literally sit here refreshing it, watching the counts go up like every minute or so. We're doing a file test right now. So we're going to be copying two 16 gigabyte files, or well, this 14 gigabyte and a 16 gigabyte for around 31.25 gigabytes to test the new feature. This is from the external drive, so we can't count that. It's only from inside the drive. If you guys want to, in the cards, the little info thing on the top right, I have a poll about whether or not you like macOS Sierra. So please just check that out. There's also some cards about I'm gonna be taking a short break here again. I've got stuff I need to do real quick. I'll give that file time to copy. And just Okay, I'm back again. We got 4 minutes left, or 3 minutes left on that thing. File transfer we're trying to test out because they said the files were going to be faster at transferring. This is from an external drive, so it doesn't really count because I'm assuming that they meant in between folders on your computer. So you could test out those. If you have any questions, I'm always looking at the chat, so put them on down there. And you know, I'll probably be ending the live stream in the next 10-20 minutes because I've been going for 2 hours and 40 minutes, and I kind of want to take a break, for today. Yeah, thank all y'all that um are watching, and yeah, so just waiting for the thing to load, and I will actually let's make it better quality. Delete, remove that, select display capture, and bring that fully out. Oh shoot. So now I got rid of the questions thing on the top, and I've expanded the thing out. Okay. 2 minutes left on that file transfer. I'm actually streaming in 720p because it's better on my internet. And I mean the quality's okay. It doesn't look I can't really quite capture the way the colors look because I'm looking at it on the same monitor, configured the same, set up the same. And on the Mac at full 1080p with the full colors, it looks amazing with no encoding or anything. But on here, the colors look dull. They don't look as good. You have to see it in person to believe it, I guess. But yeah, the colors are a little bit dull in here. Hold on, I'll exit out because I haven't looked at chat in a while. Okay. Let's see. And 7 people watching then, 6 people watching then, 5, 5, 5. So we seem to be kind of staying at 5 people. 2 comments, 2 comments, and then we have like 0 messages a minute in the latest couple minutes. You have any questions? Put them down in the chat. Okay, we've got less than a minute on this file transfer, and then we'll get started on the test. I'm legit gonna have a sore throat tomorrow because I've been talking for 2.5 hours straight. I'm just popping my hand right there. Okay, we've got only 200 megabytes left. We got 10 seconds. Or you guys can see that. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to open up Finder. Right. I'm going to go to Mac OS, which is what I have my thing named as. Let's go to Library, Application Support, New Folder, best. Copy. Now we're gonna open up this. We're gonna grab the 30 gigabyte video files, 2 of them, and we're just gonna drag and drop. Done. It's done copying. 30 gigabytes in 2 seconds. 2 seconds. That's amazing. That's amazing right there. That is absolutely amazing. Let's try it again. Wow. Hello. Try back. I'm gonna go to here. I guess I'll go to my movies, test folder, and then I'll drag these 2 right here. Drag this one in between those. Let's add some more files. Wow. Wow. That is amazing. That is an amazing feature. Apple has done well on that. Pretty much the best feature of High Sierra so far. Not saying I'm really there's not a lot of features. And did I just lose Wi-Fi? I think I just lost Wi-Fi. I'm good. Any questions? Just put them in the chat. Okay. The new Amadeus Hen asks, did Apple add the new indoor maps to Mac's map application like in iOS? Let's check. What cities do they have? Washington D.C. I'm gonna have to. They probably have New York. I know they don't have near me, but New York Mall. Okay. Map. Ooh hoo hoo! They did. I mean, or I don't know. Maybe that is. Maybe that's just. Okay. Maybe they have Clean Center. I don't know where it is. I'm not sure on how to open it. I go here, select here, select here, select here, select here. I don't know if it works like you have to be there, but I mean you can see that all the stores in the mall are there. So maybe that's them doing stuff. But I mean, I don't know. That could just be the usual location stuff. I'm just gonna close that. Well, I've kind of been doing this for almost 3 hours. I'm gonna call it a day real quick. Thanks for watching, all of you that are currently watching, or if you watch this on YouTube after it's uploaded to be archived. You know, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. You know, and I mean, stay tuned for future videos from my channel. I'll be uploading future videos, hopefully. Not within the next, like, maybe a few, like 2 or 3 more this week. But next week I'm not uploading anything, and the week after that I'll probably upload some stuff. I'm taking a break next week. So thanks for watching. I'm just gonna play an ad real quick.
This thing starts lifting off.
But yeah, if any of you can still see this, just wait to play my intro again as my outro. Playing another ad. Playing another ad. Playing through ads, and then I will wait until this ad finishes. I'll play another ad.
Oh, yeah, you do it.
You know, just because, I kind of need. I'm not doing this for the money, but, people like seeing their ads on live streams. So, and they pay to do it. And if I can make a little bit of money on the side doing this, that's great. Let's play another ad. I'm playing like 3 ads in a row. I'm gonna play ads until like
I think so, yeah.
I'll play an ad till 2:52. So every time ad stops, I'll start one up again. So we got 60 seconds left of ads. Or maybe I'll just keep playing ads until 3. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna play as many ads as I need to. Some of the previous viewers said that they left their tab open so that I could make revenue. So I'm just playing ads.
We were flying over a radio station.
This will be the last ad, I think.
The propellers on the antenna, and we just kept going.
Thank you all for watching. This is the end of the live stream. So have a nice day, and goodbye.